marvelous, super great, fantastic, superb, wonderful, stupendous, outrageous, terrific, unbelievable, even to the point of being eggishly, fantastically perfect day? You know why I am? Because I'm Basket Case. Today, I have a problem. My son left for work and he told me I have a bird stuck in my car. Well, here it is.
Oh, you put the grip on. Jack it up. What about the pad? What pad?
Yep, it's stuck. Its foot stuck in the thing, okay? There it is. And I'm going to take the wheel off to see. We were trying to take it out just like that, but that was just not working with our hands. So we're going to take the wheel off and see if we can get a better grip on it. And here we go. We're going to jack up the car and we're going to take off the wheel. Okay, here we go. We're jacking up the car. We're taking up the wheel. It's a baby Robin, guys. I got my next door neighbors to help me a little bit here. Okay, we'll see what we can do.
You're good.
Here, oh, yeah.
Well, it's just because it's shifting the weight. That's all.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that's enough. Don't keep talking it. Yeah.
Yeah, I like to save the bird, but you know what? I don't want it. Oh, there it is.
You got it.
You scared so much, it popped out.
Leg though. It's gone.
Oh shit! It broke it ripped off its leg, guys. Shit.
We didn't.
Well, I think we helped a little bit when we were trying to take the leg out.
It was stuck in the
It was really stuck, and doing it this way just scared it so much it ripped its own leg off. Crap! Well, this is what we were trying to avoid.
I don't want to. Put it back where the mother is.
Okay, there we go. We got the bird. The bird came out.
Yeah. Are you sure you put
It lost its leg. We were trying to avoid that, and it did not happen. Sorry to say. But we're gonna try to put the bird in with its mother and see if it can survive.
Oh,
Thanks, guys.
legs off?
Okay. Yeah, it came out.